Kenmore washer, Frigidaire design, complaint, non-operation. When making selection and pushing start, get no action. Probable components would be door lock, not grounding properly, and or drain pump motor. Found that drain has an obstruction in the line through the drain pump. Either something's impeding the impeller or the impeller is damaged. Replace part, should test good.
To serve you better, this call may be recorded for training and quality purposes.
Repair and Parts Department, this is Melanie.
I have a Kenmore washer, model number 41748102701. I need the pump.
Part number is
Supply external 110 volts to the pump. Verify that the pump is working properly.
3,152.76.
Quickest
We
and
have that in Portland and Tuckahoe.
fastest method. Verify power to ground. And the pump appears to be bogged up. So we're going to completely disassemble, remove object, retest. Unit should test good. Now reapplying external power. You see that the pump impeller is not turning. And the buzzing sound is because the pump impeller is either stuck with an object or the pump is damaged. You only need to remove one supporting nut. The other one should slide right out of its mounting. And what we have here is a damaged pump, which would need to be replaced. And the reason being is that there is should be a dry chamber in which water cannot penetrate internally, and somehow water has gotten down into the impeller shaft area, or just wear and tear. Could be grindstones that's gotten underneath the impeller, preventing it from turning. But more or less, most likely, it's a damaged shaft or a damaged auger. Can feel the resistance in the And when I turn the impeller, when electricity is induced onto this, basically it just polarizes this into a magnet, negative and positive, which then allows the impeller to turn. And so the impeller is not able to turn, preventing it from pumping the water out. So what I'm going to do next is verify that the impeller is damaged. It won't rotate. I'm going to put on external power, and what that should do is rotate the impeller. If the impeller rotates, then we're good. If not, then the pump has to be replaced. Not rotating as balanced. You can still hear a knocking in there, so it can jam up if you choose to try to replace or reuse your original pump. Replacement would be recommended. And so see if it will jam up. Well, see, it just jammed up. And so this has to be replaced. So now it just jammed up. Replace part, unit should test good. Control functions check well, or check good. Power to ground, check good. Water is now entering into washing machine. Original complaint is when you make selection and then push start, no action. Found that the drain pump was bad. Replaced drain pump. Selection, drain, spin to test the pump. Washer's draining water. All tests good. Drain pump checks good.